Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. This is CBSE Class 10 Math Series. In this class, we'll be solving exercise 1.1 third question. Third problem, first sub question. If you check out the playlist, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems with solutions. Do check it out, it will be helpful for you. Now we can read the question. Question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. What we need to find out? LCM and HCF. LCM is nothing but least common multiple. HCF is nothing but highest common factor of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. We are going to use L method for finding the prime factors for this numbers. Okay, 12. The first sub question is 12, 15, 21. We are going to find out LCM and HCF. Now we can see the solution. For this solution, I have written the given numbers. What is given in the question? 12, 15, 21. For these three numbers only, we are going to find out LCM and HCF. For finding LCM and HCF, we will be using L method for finding the prime factorization. Now we can find out the HCF of these three numbers. First is 12, right? I am using L method. If I am taking smallest prime, that is 2, means 6 2s are 12, right? If I am dividing 12 by 2, I will be getting 6. And then again 2. 3 2s are 6. Then 3. 1, 3 is 3. Okay, so what are the prime factors of 12? 12 equal 2 into 2 into 3. Right? And then 15. For 15, we need to find out the prime factors again. For 15, I can take 3 first. 3 is the smallest, 2 is the smallest prime factor, but this 15 cannot be divided by 2 completely, so I am taking 3. Okay, 3, this 15 will get divided by 3 completely. So 5 3s are 15, right? 5 3s are 15. And again I need to take 5. 1 5 is 5. So this 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 15. So for 15 I can write 3 into 5. And then next number is 21, right? So for 21 I cannot take 2, right? So why? Because 21 will not get divided by 2 completely. So I can take 3, right? 7 3s are 21. Now 7. 1 7 is 7. For 21, what should be the prime factors? 3 into 7. Our goal is we need to find out HCF, right? HCF means highest common factor. Common factor. HCF is nothing but the common factor of these three numbers. This 12, 15, 21. What would be the common factor here? 3. This also 3. Here also we are having 3. So we can take 3 would be the common factor of this 12, 15, 21, right? So I can write HCF of 12, 15, 21 equal 3, right? This is HCF. Now we should find out LCM. Okay. Next is LCM, least common multiple. For this, for finding LCM, we can write all these three numbers together. 12, 15, 21. We have to divide the numbers by the smallest factors first. If it is divided by completely, we should take that number. If it is not, we should not divide that number. We should write the number as it is. Okay, already we had discussed about in previous classes. Okay, now I'm taking 2. Why? Because this 12 will get divided by 2 completely, but 15 and 21 cannot be divided by 2 completely. So I can write 15 and 21 as it is. 12 only will get divided by 2. Okay, 6 twos are 12, right? So I can write 15 comma 21. Now I can take 3. This 3, 6 can divided by 3 completely, and 15 also divided by 3 completely, 21 also divided by 3 completely. Okay, so I'm taking 3. If I'm dividing 6 by 3, 3 twos are 6, right? Then if I'm dividing 15 by 3, I'll be getting 5, right? 5 threes are 15. And 21. If I'm dividing 21 by 3, I'll be getting the equation as 7. And now this is 2, this is 5, this is 7. First I can take the smallest number 2 so that I can divide this 2 by 2 completely. So I'll be getting the answer as 1. 1, 2 is 2. So 5 and 7 will not get divided by 2 completely. So I can write 5 and 7 as it is. And now I'm taking 5, 1 comma 1 comma 7, then 1 comma 1 comma 1, right? So these are all the prime factors of 12, 15, 21. So I can write 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 7. What would be the answer? 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 5, 60, right? You can check 12 into 5. 5 twos are 10. 1 5 is 5, 6. 16, 60, right? 16 into 7. 16 into 7. 7 0 0. 6 into 7, 42. So the answer is 420. 420. How we can write the answer? LCM of 12, 15, 21 equal 420. LCM of 12, 15, 21 equal 420. HCF is, already we had found this answer. HCF is 3, right? LCM is 420. This is all about the problem number 3rd in exercise 1.1. But this is sub-question, first sub-question, right? Now we can see the 3rd sub-question. Second also there, you can check it out. You can do yourself. You can follow the same concept. So you'll be able to find out the solution. Now we are going to find out the solution for 3rd sub-question in 3rd problem of exercise 1.1. This is 3rd sub-question 8, 9, 25. We need to find out LCM and HCF of these 3 numbers using prime factorization method. We are going to use prime factorization method. For that we'll be using L method, right, for finding the prime factors. So the same question but the numbers are different. Now we can see the solution. First one is highest common factor. For finding the highest common factor, we have to write 8, 9, 25 separately. 8 first. So I can take the smallest prime number 2, right? So if I'm dividing 8 by 2, I'll be getting 4. 4 twos are 8. Again 2 twos are 4. Again 2. 1 2 is 2. So for 8, what would be the common factors? What would be the factors? Not common. What would be the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 2. Right? For 9, I can take 3 first. So 3 threes are 9. Again 3. 1 3 is 3. Right? So for 9, what would be the prime factors? 3 into 3. And 25. For 25, what would be the prime factors? 25. I cannot take 2 first and then I cannot take 3. So I'm going with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5, 1 5 is 5. So what would be the prime factors 5 into 5, right? So for finding HCF, what would be the common factor? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. That is the common factor present in these three numbers. What would be the common number? We don't have any number as common, right? So we can take one. Automatically we'll be having one here, right? It doesn't matter we are writing or not, but
if there is no common factors, we should take the common factor as 1.
Okay, if without this one, we cannot take any number as common, right? So we can write 1 would be the common factor of this 8, 9, 25. Okay, how we can write? HCF of 8, 9, 25 equal 1. This is the HCF answer of this problem. And what would be the next thing? We need to find out LCM, right? This is for same numbers, we have to find out LCM. For finding LCM, we can write all these three numbers together. 8, 9, 25. LCM, least common method. So for dividing this 8, I can take 2. We cannot divide by 2 9 completely. We cannot divide 25 by 2. We cannot divide 25 by 2 completely. So I am going to write 9 and 25 as it is. 8 only I can divide, right? So 8 by 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 9, 25. And then again I can take 2. 2 2s are 4. 9, 25. Then I can take 2. 1 2 is 2. Then 9, 25. This is over, right? Now we have to consider 9 and 25 only. For 9 I can take 3, right? 9 can divided by 3 completely. So I am taking 3 as a prime factor. So 9 by 3, 3, right? 3 3s are 9. Then 25. Again, I can divide this 3 by 3. 1, 1, 25. Since I have no space here, you can, I am going to write here, but you should continue the next step. 1, 1, 25. I can take 5. I cannot take 3. Why? Because 25 will not get divided by 3 completely. But I can divide 25 by 5. So I am taking 5. 1, 1, 5, right? 5 5s are 25. And then again I can take 5. 1 into 1, sorry, 1, 1, 1. 1 5 is 5. So what would be the factors of 8, 9, 25? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 3 times 2 is appearing, 2 times 3 is appearing, and 2 times 5 is appearing. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3, 24 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 72 into 5 into 5. 72 into 5, how much? 72 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 1, 5, 7 into 5, 35, 35 plus 1, 36. Again we need to multiply this 360 by 5. 360 by 5. 500, 6 5s are 33 and 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So I'm getting 1800 as LCM. Okay, now we can write LCM of 8, 9, 25 equal how much? 1800. Right? Here HCF is 1, LCM is 1800. We don't have the common factor in this case for finding the HCF. So we are taking 1. 1 would be the common factor for all the cases. If we don't have any other number as common factor, we should take that 1 as a common factor. Okay, that is HCF of these 3 numbers is 1. This is all about third sub-question of third problem in exercise 1.1. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. According to this problem, you have to know the concept of LCM and HCF. If you know that two concepts, you'll be able to find out the solution for this problem easily. So already we had discussed about what is LCM, what is HCF in playlist. You can check it out. After understanding that concepts, you can start this problem. This much I had in this video. I hope this video is helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, hit like button and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.